When you think about the more kind of craveable foods, what is at the top of your list? Mine is pretty much nachos. Pretty darn delicious. So we're starting with a mix of grated cheeses. This has cheddar jack and some pepper jack in there. You can do your favorites. All right, so I'm adding some cornstarch into the grated cheese and really make sure it's well mixed in there. Then warm up some evaporated milk, 1 can, and pour that into the grated cheese / cornstarch mixture. And whisk it or mix it, as I'm doing, until everything melts and becomes nice and happy. Now I'm going to pour that into the pot. And as it melts, it's starting to get a little gooey. All right, I'm going to add some more cheese to it because I like it even more cheesy. This is beautiful. Look how creamy. I mean, this is how you want cheese sauce to look. What I love about this simple recipe for the cheese sauce is that a lot of times when you get nachos, the cheese sauce has this kind of broken texture, like a broken sauce on it. Makes me crazy. But this sauce, which is so incredibly simple, always works. Then go ahead and top with some of this crumbled cheese, queso fresco. Strategically place the chilies where you might want them or not want them. Finally, some of these pomegranates right over the top for a little burst of tangy and crunchy. And then finish with the avocado crema. And if you don't feel like making this, then go ahead and just dice up some avocados. This is just the little delicious topping that nobody thought about making because it has the cilantro, the avocado, and the lime. And there you have it. Some crazy nachos, looking rather delicious. I'm so thrilled. Please, please make this at home. Dig in with your family or friends. You will be known as the Nacho King or Queen. Trust me. See you soon. You can try my yummy version of loaded nachos with my recipe at checkpleasefl.com.